Assalamualaikum all friends. All traffic sign list. No stopping, no waiting, maximum speed, roundabout, keep left, turn left, turn left ahead, no entry for vehicular traffic, turn right ahead, two-way traffic crosses one-way road, vehicle exceeding width prohibited. Two-way traffic straight ahead, bend to right. Road narrows on both sides. Steep descent, steep ascent. Pedestrian ahead, tunnel. No overtaking, hump bridge, uneven road, crossroads. Traffic merges from the left. Traffic merges from the right. No vehicles carrying explosives. Level crossing without barrier or gate ahead. Cycle route ahead. No cycling. Traffic signals. All vehicles prohibited except pedal cycles being pushed. Soft verges. Accompanying horses. Horse-drawn vehicles. Low-flying helicopters. Pass either side to reach the same destination. Priority must be given to vehicles from the positive direction. Loose chippings, falling or falling rocks, slippery roads, double bend fast to the left. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and good comment.